Hello traders, the title of the video is what does an oversold market mean? What does an oversold market mean? What is the meaning of an oversold market? What is the meaning of oversold asset? What is the meaning of an oversold financial instrument? All right. So technical trader will say to me that when we say oversold, it means that stochastic is below 30 or below 25, or it means RSI is below 30. Or they may say when the CCI indicator is below minus 100. All right. So what is the real meaning of oversold market? All right. The financial market is oversold, or a financial instrument is oversold when it did below its fair value. So something that is that has a true value of $50. All right. If, for instance, the price goes down to $30 because the fair value is $50. All right. Now it's now at 30. We may say that that financial instrument or that market is oversold. So when we talk about NASDAQ 100, all right, and we calculate the average of the fair value of the whole NASDAQ 100, and we notice that the whole NASDAQ 100 is below the fair value, the average fair value of the component of the NASDAQ 100, we may say that the NASDAQ 100 is oversold. So a market is oversold when it's below its fair value. Now you have to understand something very important is that if a stock or a financial instrument can stay oversold for too long, if the market is degrading or the financial instrument is losing value. Let me explain myself. So suppose, the fair value of the asset is $50, all right? Now it's at 30, but something has changed. They are losing market share, the competition is crushing them, they are not coming up with excellent products, which means something has changed, their condition, is degrading. Therefore, a new fair value will be established. Though, at this point in time, it's clear to us that the financial instrument is oversold because its fair value is $50, now it's at 30, the conditions are degrading, a new fair value may be in place. So if the conditions are degrading more and more and more, no stop, where the stock can even go down to zero, or the company may go into administration or go bankrupt, so it go to zero. So you may be hanging on to the old fair value without taking into consideration the degrading factors that are pushing the price down. That will be a wrong analysis, yes or no. So fundamentally speaking, a stock can be oversold for a long time if the conditions are degrading. Like here, you can see that this is the euro dollar. The euro British pound was going down against the pound. So as it's going down, all right, so the euro dollar was depreciating against the pound, yes or no? All right, now, where is the fair value? It's looking for the fair value. Probably there was a previous fair value before. Now a new fair value is brewing. Finally, it found its fair value here. Though the euro British pound was oversold from the starting, start going down, or I start going down. Now here it was oversold. This is from the looking at it from the angle of fundamental analysis. So you may say to me, George, I'm a technical trader, and I'm still waiting for you to give me, something, more appealing. Stay with us, please. Technically speaking, the financial instrument is oversold when, it goes down from A to B. This is very important, and the common trend line is broken, and the price finds support. Did you get that? Technically speaking, a financial instrument is oversold when the common trend line is broken. The trend line that we draw very close to the price is broken. Here you see it was broken. All right. And then if he converted temporarily here, he was oversold. So you see, he breaks above the common trend line, he found a support, went up for a month. All right? So you may say he was temporarily oversold. If you're on the hourly time frame, that's a lot of pips. If you're on a 5-minute time frame, that's many days, all right, that the price was going up, talking about monthly candlestick back here. But the oversold was not finished. It continued to go down more, and here it became oversold completely. He breaks the common certain line and then retested, which means he converted that common certain line into a support. Sometimes he may not convert it into support. He will exhibit a higher low or a bullish chart pattern below that declining common certain line. So the reason why I'm talking about trend line, common certain line, because I don't want you to go around playing with the oversold anyhow. If you look at the stochastic 833, this is my setting. It was oversold for a long time this year. This is what we are talking about. Oversold for a long time, which means the condition for the euro against the pound were degrading, all right? The price going down is looking for a better support level. So technically speaking, the stock, the commodity, the future, the indices are oversold when they finally find a support after a pullback. Did he find a support? How do we know? The common certain line will be broken. It will convert that common certain line into support, or it will exhibit a higher low above that bearish common sales trend line. So all in all, technically speaking, oversold means valid support level. So why do we use the word oversold? We use the word oversold because we are getting ready to buy. So when a technical trader says this stock is oversold, it means that he or she is looking for an opportunity to buy that stock using a different time frame trading method, yes or no. So when we say oversold, we are talking about valid support level. A double bottom chart pattern is a valid support level, validation of a support level. So I have one example here. You see here, the British pound, the euro is again going down here. Where is the support? It's looking for a better support level. You can see that the stochastic 833, even if you put the RSI here or the CCI, they all reach an oversold zone. So the mistake is to assume that because the technical indicator is oversold, the price is also oversold. No. The technical indicator says that it's likely to become oversold soon. Wait for the price to confirm it. That's all. You see here? So here it is again. We have the same scenario here. And can I show you that there are a lot of technical traders out there start buying just because the stochastic is reaching oversold zone. Now you can see that before as it's going down, there was support here. There was one support in the zone of, can I see that? 87427. 87427. All right. The price break below it and then went up a bit to retest the edge of my green pitchfork tool, and they continue to sell it. So it was oversold. You see here, you see the shadow on top of this candlestick bar. It went up a bit, yes or no? It was if you go to the daily chart, you see that it was temporarily oversold here. It turned around, found a bit of support, but continued to go down. All right. So now it breaks below another support level at 85666. And people are just chasing the price. You want a confirmation from the price. Common central line is broken, converting that common central line to support or exhibiting a higher low above that support level. It's not sufficient to see the momentum indicator reaching oversold zone. They are giving us a warning. The price must confirm the oversold. All in all, fundamentally speaking, oversold means the financial instrument is below its true fair value. If the conditions are degrading, there will be a new fair value. Therefore, that financial instrument can remain oversold for a long time. All right? Okay? But another thing that I need to clarify before I wrap it up is that sometimes, like I explained to you, so the financial instrument dip its fair value. Okay? This is fundamentally speaking, all right? Its book value. Now, you say it's oversold. Well, it's oversold. Okay. But The conditions are not degrading, which means they are still winning market share, they are still making a lot of money, but they dip below their fair value. They have excellent management in place. Hedge fund will start buying that stock as it's going down. What I say to those hedge funds and those fundamental traders that are just buying it because it dipped its fair value in a bullish environment, when the fundamentals are still strong, all right, not deteriorating, all right, I want them to use it will be better to improve the market timing to use all right trend line and common center line until all right the price confirm it. Why? Because sometimes you may look at a financial instrument, all right. So you see the fair value is $50, all right. Now you dip below it, it's oversold. You look at what's going on at that point in time. You check everything, all right. You talk to the management. They say, yeah, we're still making money. Everything looks good, all right. You perform Google Assist test. You pass the Google Assist test. You do all the verification that you want to do. They don't have a lot of debt, blah blah blah. But then you say, all right, we should buy it straight away, fundamentally speaking. All right, you are a hedge fund, you just buy it. But then there may be other factors that can affect that stock later on. But when you look at their book, so to speak, you look at their financials, nothing is indicating to you at that point in time that the condition may deteriorate very soon. So you start buying it, thinking that, okay, it's below its fair value, that stock still has a way to go, excellent management is in play, they are getting more market share. But behold, the market S&P 500 or another market indicator become bearish, sending that financial instrument into the bearish zone. Now something that looks good, below its fair value, strong fundamental in place, but here it is, external factors are now influencing that financial instrument, pushing it down more and more. And then some hedge fund has to close, okay, their businesses. So it will be better if it's oversold, fundamentally speaking, below its fair value, and the conditions are still strong, to combine it with technical analysis. We use, for instance, in your way market timing, we use what we call a top-down trading method, which is powerful. You must use a top-down trading method if you are a hedge fund. In fact, if I want to give my money to a hedge fund, I want to know whether those traders know about a top-down trading method. So after you perform your fundamental analysis, all right, it's below its fair value, you say, all right, it's oversold, all right, conditions are still good, I want to buy a whole. Wait, common center is broken, validation of that, okay, common center as a support level, or at least price exhibiting a bullish chart pattern above that a bearish common center line, or converting into support level. And then most importantly, use a top-down trading method that will help you to time the market correctly. I can go on and on and on and on, but we don't want the video to be too long, because we can talk about the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, before the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangle, the market, the sector, and the economy news. You understand? We talk about, okay, the market leaders, okay, the economy news, and the fundamentals, the heart of the trading triangle. But we don't want to go too far away from the main topic today, which is all right, what does an oversold market means? It means that it's below its fair value. All right, that's it. It's oversold. Technically speaking, it means that it has found a valid support. So for the pound dollar, is the common center line broken on the monthly chart? No. Which means the price is in a declining channel. So I recorded a video today, and the title of that video is how to play the game of the stock market, AMD stock. And I say to traders, don't fight the trend. So if you go, for instance, on the daily chart, okay, see that, okay, the euro British pound is in a declining channel looking for a support level. So when the price is going down and it reaches the support level, we monitor the reaction of the price, and one of the methods that we use to time it carefully is what? A different time frame trading method. So if you to search the phrase mastering top-down trading method by 24 stock trader, digit 2, digit 4 stock trader. What I say to traders, don't watch it anywhere else. All right? If you say, George, I can't understand your accent, get used to it. I mean it, or you will get used to it, because I know traders who say to me, George, oh, I couldn't understand you. Oh, yes, a bit Frenchy. Slowly, traders are getting used to it. All right. So watch that playlist. It's a playlist of 5 videos, so you also can master top trading method. So this will conclude our discussion today about what does an oversold market mean. It means below its fair value. It means that it has found a valid support. All right. So when it's fundamentally oversold, combining with technical analysis, all right, to time the market correctly. You say, yes, George, technical analysis is all I need. All right. If it's technically oversold, check also the fundamental. Combine both so you may time the market correctly. Understand that external factors can also affect the financial instrument. So you done your fundamental analysis for that particular stock, you done your technical analysis for that particular stock. All right. External factors, the sectors, the market leaders, and the economy news, and we're talking about the market, we are talking about S&P 500, can also influence that financial instrument, taking into consideration the environment, like the season for the farmers. You want to sow at the right time and the right place. The S&P 500 is now at the top. All right. So this is it. What does an oversold market mean? I hope I have managed that essential question. And if this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. However, if you say, George, for the first time in your life, you have recorded a nice video, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. All right. If you want to learn more about technical trading, go to www.stochastic-macd. All right. My Facebook page is Stochastic MACD. Follow us also on Facebook. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader. Digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Subscribe today and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime I click publish, all right, you will be the first person to be notified. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about what does an oversold market means. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all. What does an oversold market mean, George? What does it mean? All right.